So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of 1 is equal to minus 2 and f dash of x is greater than or equal to 2 for all x belongs to 1 to 6. And if that is so, what can you say about f of 6? So as you can see, if you want to derive this mathematically, it's given that dy by dx is always greater than or equal to 2, right? This implies change in y is always greater than 2 times change in x. And if you integrate it, so if you integrate dy is greater than or equal to integration of 2 dx between, this is not always true because dy is greater than or equal to 2 dx in the interval 1 to 6. So if I go from 1 to 6, here also if I go from 1 to 6. So this implies y at 6 minus y at 1 is always greater than or equal to 2 times 6 minus 1 is 5. This implies y at x is equal to 6 is always greater than or equal to y at x is equal to 1 plus 10. That is, y at x is equal to 1 is minus 2. So is always greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 10 is greater than or equal to 8. That is, y value at 6, that is f of 6 is always greater than or equal to 8. Option D is the right answer to this question.